Okay, you're trying to log in to Facebook and it's in a different language. Okay. So when you get to your Facebook, it's going to be in a different language. So you're trying to read the screens and you can't read the screens. See where my mouse is right here? Okay, you go to the three dots right over here on the upper right side of the page. Okay, see the three dots right there? Okay. Go on the three dots. Now this is when you're trying to log in. And you come down and you're going to see translate. You see translate right here? Okay, you click on translate, and what that's going to do, now you're on the login screen and you're trying to log in and it's in French or Spanish. And what that's going to do, that's going to change just the screen. It's going to translate it to English so you can read the screen. Now when you go to the next screen, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to go back to the other language, and then you go back and you do the same thing. You get the three dots and translate. You do that to each screen until you can log into Facebook. Okay. Now once you're logged into Facebook, okay, and you're going to find it's going to be in a foreign language. Not everything, but some things are going to be in a foreign language. So what you do is you come over here to this icon right here. It's the same thing as your desktop. This little icon right here. You press on that. Now this is going to be, all this is going to be written in a foreign language. Okay. So you're going to want to go to settings and privacy. So like again, I said it's going to be in a foreign language. So you go down, the second one is the gear. Okay. So you go down and you click on the gear. Now in the gear it's going to have language, but this is going to all be written in a foreign language. The second one down says settings and language in English. Now the foreign language will be the second one down, which will be language, and you click on that. Okay, now mine says Facebook English US. Okay, you right here it'll say Facebook French or Facebook Spanish. Okay, so what you do is you click on the Facebook language. Like I said, this will be in a foreign language. Now here's all the options that Facebook supports, all the languages. Okay, see, I've already switched it over, so I got English US. But you click on the top one, like I said, this will be in a foreign language, and it will send you to, it'll give you English. So you just find your language. Let's go back, I'll show you again. Just click on the icon, okay. You go to settings and privacy, which is the second one down, right here. Okay, go to language. Now, then you click on language. Now, you can scroll down, and if it'll scroll down, well, it's behind, it's under there. But because I'm in English. You pick the language you want, of course with English, press English. It'll refresh the page, and you shouldn't have to save it or anything. Okay, it should go directly to English. All right, just leave a comment if you have any problems with it. Maybe I can help you, maybe not. But if it doesn't work, okay, when you click on this icon and you do what I just showed you, okay, you may want to restart your computer. Okay. Then when you restart your computer, they're going to want you to sign back into Facebook. Okay, if you're not signed in, and you go through the same steps. You hit the three little dots. You go to translate, and you translate each page, and then you do the same thing to the end. So hopefully that helps. So that's how we do it here. How we change the language on our Facebook account.